Welcome to the Shopify Sidekick Masterclass from DDS Vibe Academy. In this free program, you'll get over 50 copy-paste prompts to upgrade your store. From theme edits and SEO to Flow, ShopifyQL, and CRO. Everything you learn works even on Shopify Basic. Most merchants use Sidekick only to answer questions. In this masterclass, we treat it as a builder. Sidekick can edit your theme, write copy, generate liquid blocks, automate flows, and query ShopifyQL, all in plain English, on any plan from Basic to Plus. Module 1 explains what Shopify Sidekick is. You speak in natural language, and it understands. It knows your actual products, customers, and orders. It doesn't just advise, it takes action in your store. And it's free on every Shopify plan, with no upsell. Module 2 covers everything Sidekick can do. We'll walk through theme customization, liquid block generation, product descriptions, image creation, flow automation, ShopifyQL reports, customer segments, discounts, email editing, and proactive Sidekick Pulse. Module 3 focuses on theme customization. You'll learn to click any element in the theme editor, then prompt Sidekick to improve product pages for conversion. Larger images, above-the-fold CTAs, sticky add-to-cart bars, clearer pricing, and trust badges. Module 4 shows how to generate liquid blocks without coding. You simply describe the block. Sidekick writes the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and schema. You review, approve, and ship it to your theme for elements like trust rows, timers, bundles, and sticky CTAs. Module 5 is about SEO optimization prompts. Sidekick reads your products and competitors, then rewrites meta titles and descriptions in your brand voice. You'll use a structured prompt to optimize your top sellers and review before publishing at scale. Module 6 covers content generation in your voice. Sidekick turns bullet features into narrative product copy, drafts full blog posts, builds localized email campaigns, and writes social captions that pull product context and match each platform's format. Module 7 scales products and collections. You'll replace spreadsheet work with one chat. Bulk update variants, auto-tag products, generate collection rules in plain English, detect duplicate SKUs, and suggest cross-sell relationships from order history. Module 8 teaches flow automations by description. We'll build a 2-part VIP lifecycle, automatically tagging high-value customers and emailing a reward, then removing the tag after inactivity and logging results to Slack, all from natural language prompts. Module 9 translates plain English into ShopifyQL. You'll ask questions like, show my top 10 products by revenue and profit, and Sidekick will generate a ready-to-save query. This lets you build custom reports without learning the query language first. Module 10 is conversion rate optimization. Sidekick runs an audit to find top drop-offs, suggests tests with hypotheses and rollback plans, implements theme changes as variants, and then measures results with ShopifyQL reports after a defined test window. Module 11 shows how to save your best prompts as skills. A long workflow becomes a one-word shortcut you can reuse and share with your team. For example, daily sales summaries, SEO refreshes, low stock alerts, and weekly performance digests. To access the full masterclass with all 12 modules and 50+ ready-to-use prompts, visit DDSBoston.com/pages DDS Vibe Academy. There's no paywall or sign-up, just practical training. New masterclasses are released weekly on the DDS Boston YouTube channel.